Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Exp25 Excel Chapter 12 ML1 Sorority Dues. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyITLab assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. There are total 18 questions of this assessment. Here is the title of assignment. Let me zoom this. Exp25 Excel Chapter 12 Mid-Level 1 Sorority Dues. Here is a project description. You can also read it out carefully for better understanding of this assessment project. You are the outgoing thresher of your sorority, and as your last task, you would like to create a membership template to enable future threshers to track membership dues and activities. To reach your goal, you will download and customize an Excel template. As part of the customization process, you will create a macro to format text and use VBA to protect the workbook and inspect the workbook for issues. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is: start Excel, download and open the file named exp25 Excel Chapter 12 Mid-Level 1 Membership Dues. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, you will have to download this workbook exp25 Excel Chapter 12 Mid-Level 1 Membership Dues from MyITLab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyITLab dashboard. Here is a file I have already downloaded. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is: click or select the cell A1, delete the template text and enter membership dues. This one. In cell A1, delete the template text. You will go to the workbook and cell A1. This one A1, delete this template text and then type membership dues. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is: and delete column L. Then go to the workbook and delete column L. This one, column L. Select this column, then right click on this, then press delete button to delete this column. Question number 3 are completed, and question number 4 is: select the range A1 to L7 and clear all data validation that was included in the template. Basically, in this question, you will have to remove the all data validation in the given range A1 to L1. Copy this range, then go to the workbook. In this dialog box, you will have to type this range. Select this range, then go to the data tab, then go to the data validation, data tools group. In the data validation, click on this data validation, then clear all. if any input message, clear all data validations. Question number 4 are completed. Now we'll move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is add a comment in cell A1 that says unprotect the worksheet before editing, including the period. And basically in this question you will have to add a comment in cell A1 that says unprotect the worksheet before editing. Copy this comment, then you will go to the cell A1 and go to the review tab and go to the comment section, then click on new comment and paste the comment unprotect the worksheet before editing. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. And question number 6 is select the range A2 to L7. Use the macro recorder to record a macro named sort that sorts the records in ascending order based on a member name in cell A1. Hint, use relative references when recording the macro. Enter 5 in cell A3, 4 in cell A4, 3 in cell A5, 2 in cell A6 and 1 in cell A7. Then run the sort macro to test its performance. After testing the macro, delete the sample values in the range A3 to A7. Basically in this question you will have to select this range and use the macro recorder to record the sort operation on this column ascending order. First we select this range A2 to L7, then go to the workbook. In this dialog box you will type the range, select this range, then you will go to the developer tab, go to the codes group, then click on record macro button and name the macro to sort, this one. Click OK. As you can see that the macro recording are now starting. Our task is to ascending order sort the membership name in ascending order. Click on this filter button, then click on this sort A to Z, then stop the recording. Macro are recorded now, and our next task is enter 5 in cell A3, 4 in cell A4, 3 in cell A5, 2 in cell A6 and 1 in cell A7. 5 in cell A3, go to the workbook, 5, 3, 2, 1. And the next part is run the sort macro to test its performance. After testing the macro, delete the sample values in the range A3 to A7. Now we will have to test the macro. Then go to the developer tab, then go to the code section group, then click on macros. As you can see that the sort macro are recorded previously. Then click on run button to sort the member name 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in ascending order. Previously I have write in these numbers 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then after applying the macro, as you can see that the member name are in the ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After applying this, then you will have to delete these values. Select this, then click on delete button to delete these values. Question number 6 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is ensure the developer tab is enabled. Then create a form control button with the text label sort. Spanning the cell range C1 to D1, ensure that the button is inside the cell borders and assign the sort macro. Be sure the label sort displays on the form control button. Basically, in this question, you will have to create a form control button and the text label is sort, then assign this sort macro to this button. Then go to the workbook, go to the developer tab, then click on this insert controls tab, then click on this button form control. Form control button with the text label sort, spanning the cells range C1 to D1. Now you will have to draw the button C1 to D1, this one. Draw this button and OK. With the text label sort, button will showing the label sort. Double click on this button, then remove this uh, default text, then write a sort for this and assign the sort macro. Be sure the label sort display on the form control button. Now we will have to assign a macro sort to this button, and then as you can see that the sort label are showing on the button. Right click on this button, assign macro. You will have to assign this sort macro, then click OK. We are done now. Question number 7 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 8. Question number 8 is use the VBA editor to insert a new module named unprotect. To complete the step, enter the code as it appears below. Note there is no one blank there is no one blank line after the opening declaration. Sub unprotect, the remaining code does not have space between the lines. In this question you will have to copy this same code, then go to the workbook, then the developer tab, then you will go to the code section, then click on Visual Basic button, this one. Click on insert button to add a new module. Click on module. You will have to paste this code as it is. Question number 8 are done now. Now we will move to the question number 9. Question number 9 is insert a new module named protect. To complete this step, type the code as it appears below. Note there is no one blank line after the declaration. Sub protect, the remaining code does not have space between the lines. Enter the following to complete the procedure. Simply you will have to copy this code, then again click on insert button, click on module to insert this. As you can see that this is a module 1 unprotect, name this unprotect, and the second is protect. Question number 8, new module named is unprotect. As you can see that module unprotect, and question number 9 module name is protect. As you can see that here is the protect. We have now completed 9 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses MyLab IT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.